This is Randy Blum with PJ Polk Company. Today we'll be going through how to send a Bluetooth mobile key via Dormakaba community software to the Dormakaba BlueSky mobile app. If your site is using a different app, please confirm the procedure with whoever that third-party app is. First, we'll open up the Dormakaba community software. And in this example, I'm going to be sending myself a Bluetooth mobile key. In this instance, in this example, I am a resident, so I'll click on Resident Management. I'll click on My Name. I do want to make sure that I have a mobile name in this resident's profile, so we'll click on Resident Info, and we'll see the mobile number. It is extremely important that this is filled in because this is where we're sending that digital key to. Once we've confirmed that, please make sure that the resident has the mobile app downloaded. It can be downloaded from the Android or the iOS store. It is a free download for them. Once the app is downloaded and installed on their phone, they will need to register the app. This is an extremely simple process where the resident types in their first name, last name, and mobile number. The system will send them a code via text message, and they'll just type in the code so we can ensure that that person is holding that device. Once we have set up what this resident is going to have access to, we'll go to Make Access Keys, the same way we have for the same way we will make a key fob, and we'll click Send to Mobile. This will send the mobile key to that person's device. One thing to be extremely careful about is making sure that the last name within the profile of community matches the last name that the resident created the app with. If your site is enrolling residents into the system similar to this, where you have resident as the first name, unit 412 as the last name, and you go to send a mobile key to their phone number, it is going to fail. That's a security precaution we make to make sure that the last names are matching. So culturally, some people do switch first names, last names, surnames type deal. Please just make sure that the last name they registered the app with matches the last name within the software. Once those mobile keys are on the devices, you could also go to Active Keys and see what key fobs or mobile keys have been sent to the person in question. If for some reason you are having an issue where area codes are not being recognized, go into System Settings, go to General, and we'll click Yes. Some of these area codes are being created all the time, and it's possible if you have an outdated version of community software that the software itself does not recognize some of these new codes. Once you click Yes, you can click Save, and this will override that. To create or issue a staff member's key, same way you create a key fob, we'll go to Staff and Vendor Keys. You'll select what kind of credential you want to send. Select the common areas. Select your person. And again, when you go to Make Keys, we will send to mobile. Again, the same rules apply. We will want the last name of the person in community to match the last name within the BlueSky app. Thanks for watching and have a great day.